Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to check out a new value line from Eufy. We've got a doorbell, a solar-powered camera, and a floodlight camera.
And eufy sent us these for the review. So this line is kind of cool. Now this is a 2K set of cameras, right? Each are 2K in resolution, but they all have human detection, which is really cool. And some of them actually will track you. Like this camera over here will actually track you. Actually, both these models will actually track the subject it picks up. And this one here will actually detect a person even if the camera's not pointing at them, which is really kind of cool.
Oh, that's interesting.
And it's really kind of cool because there's this wraparound PIR sensor. And then this camera I like over here because it's both battery and wired, right? So depending how your doorbell
It's a doorbell camera.
It is a doorbell camera, that's correct. And it works with both, right? And if you're actually in wired mode, like if you wire this to your doorbell, it'll actually record 24/7, which is really neat.
Okay, and like all the Eufy products, you don't need a monthly subscription, and you can use the onboard storage, or you can attach them to a HomeBase. Okay, so these three products are part of a new value line for Eufy. They're all 2K cameras, really great resolution. This is a really nice video doorbell. This one is battery powered and wired, or you can also get it just a battery powered version. This is a SoloCam that's powered by a solar panel. And this is a floodlight cam. So with these three cameras, you can really do a good job monitoring your home.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.